Hello, welcome to Zoho Insights by Aspen 94. My name is Christopher Mowers. Today we are going to continue to look at Zoho Creator and Zoho DataPrep. We are going to bring in data to Zoho Creator using Zoho DataPrep. The data we have to bring in this week is not clean, and so we're going to build a rule set that allows us to format it in a way that Creator will accept. So let's go see the problem and how we're going to solve it. The problem that we're facing today is that these hourly wages are wrong. And I know how to get the correct hourly wage, but I'll show you in a minute. My sample data source is not clean. And so I want to build an automated way not only to bring in this data one time, but potentially to do it again and again and again with the same file, should I need to. You can see in this spreadsheet, I do have the correct wages, but they're in this format, which is not a helpful format for importing. And so I've got the name and then a hyphen and then the wage that is correct. This wage in this column is wrong and needs to be replaced. And so I need to extract this. Now I could do this in Excel, but I really want to be able to do it in a more templated fashion in case I want to do it again with a different file, or if I had many, many rows. And so we're going to use DataPrep to bring this into Zoho Creator. Let me show you how to do that. This is what my file looks like when it first comes into DataPrep, and I'm going to apply some rules that isolate the wage so that I can bring in the data to Zoho Creator. Well, you can see that I produced a table that should update my Creator app appropriately. I just have the ID and the hourly wage, which I extracted from that text field we saw before with the name and the wage. This has produced a rule set that removes columns, splits data out, changes the data type, etc. to get to this point. And the nice thing about DataPrep is that we can apply these same rules on new data sets. This same rule set will continue to work for new data sets if we want to do the same thing again. You can see that I've kicked off my job here and we've got success, the data flowing from this CSV into Zoho Creator. And if I look now in Zoho Creator, these hourly wages are much more normal. Everything has been fixed, the records have been updated, and I could do it again if I need to do it again with new data. Super simple. We at Aspen 94 would love to help you get Zoho Creator and Zoho DataPrep set up. Follow the QR code on the screen. We'll help you. We'll give you free 15-minute consultation, see what we need to do. We're here for you. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and looking forward to talking to you soon.